Hey there and welcome back to Techies Guru. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem your Bonvoy points, the key to unlocking fantastic travel rewards and experiences. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the Marriott Bonvoy website. That is www.marriott.com and hit enter. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you are logging into first. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Redeem Points section. This is where you will explore your redemption options. For this, go to your profile in the top right corner. There you can see your points. Click on Overview to view more details. You will see information about the availability of your choice and how many Bonvoy points are required for redemptions. To increase your points, you have to explore your destinations. For this, you can search for your desired destinations, hotels, or experience. You can use the search bar to find options that fit your preferences. If you're happy with your selection, click on Redeem or Book to initiate the redemption process. Follow the prompts to complete your booking. And congratulations, you have successfully redeemed your Bonvoy points for a fantastic travel experience. Whether it's a luxurious hotel stays or any unforgettable adventure, Bonvoy points open up a world of possibilities. Remember, the more you collect, the more you can explore. So keep earning and redeeming those points for amazing journeys. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.